Hey guys, welcome back to Tracy's Local Learnings. Today I want to show you a few things that I got for Christmas regarding my channel, and I'm going to do kind of like a review on them. A few of the pieces I have already been using and putting to the test, and I'm really super happy with them. Sorry. Okay, the first one is this. It is a ring light phone holder. And I absolutely love it. My phone is on there right now. Now it does have a cord on it, and on the cord has your adjustments. So the adjustments are on and off, and then it has different tones for filming, and then it has your turn down and turn up. Now, I was really concerned when I first looked at the box of this that the base looked rather small. So I have put this thing to the test, and I've tried extending the arms out completely with the phone and the light. It's very, very solid and very secure. It doesn't wobble around. It doesn't fall over. So I'm super, super happy with this. Obviously, I mean, I don't even know if this comes in a wireless variety, but that would be super handy because I wouldn't be able to use this like without plugging into a wall. So there's that. But nevertheless, I'm really super happy with it, and it is made by Premium. It's a multi-flex. What does it say? Multi-flex ring light and phone holder. So that is the first thing I want to show you guys, and I'm super, super happy with it. It's great. What does it say here? Secure weighted base. Yeah, so there it shows you all the different lighting adjustments and whatnot. Oh, there's 10 brightness levels and 3 color modes. So there you go. And then the arms on it are flexible and bendable, so you can manipulate them to wherever you want them, which I really like. I think it's super cool. Okay, so the next thing I want to show you guys is this. I got this floor stand tripod. Now this is by Vlogtech. Now I'm really happy with this. It is basically made out of steel. The whole thing is made out of steel except for the little knobs where you adjust your height of your tripod. Now it folds down to a mere 26 inches, but it extends out to 6'9", which is amazing. And that's how I was able to get my hummingbird feeders. I was able to record them because this actually goes tall enough for me to get that. Now the top, hang on here, the top has this swivel base, so it goes all the way around, and then you can lock it in there. You can go both vertical and horizontal with it, and I'm really, really happy with it. Like I said, even fully extended with my phone on it, there's no chance of it tipping over. It looks very, very secure. Now, the last thing is the most exciting for me. At least I think so. So, hang on here. I'll show you the box. Okay, so this is a, what does it say? Packard Bell 360 phone mount. Do you see that? How it mounts onto your rearview mirror? So, this is it. And I'm really happy with it. It seems like a nice strong construction of it. Like there's no chance of me, I'm probably not going to break it, but I'm going to say probably because I break a lot of stuff, you guys. So this is how it holds on to the rear view mirror, is from up here, which is really neat. And then this part swivels and this part moves. Now you can go both horizontal and vertical on it. Again, which is, I think, super handy. I'm really excited to use all of these pieces when it comes to making my content. It is going to make it a lot easier. And now I think the next thing I'm probably going to be starting to look into is getting a mic so you guys can hear me better. So far I haven't had any complaints regarding the mic issue. So knock on wood until I get one. But I wanted to show you these things and tell you how I'm liking them. And all of this All of these items came from Princess Auto. So I don't know if you guys have Princess Auto where you are, or if it is a Canadian store only. But I absolutely love this place. So now all of these purchases were made. I did get the prices on them just so I could show you guys. So this ring light and phone holder was under $20 at Princess Auto, and it's really good. The 6'9" floor tripod, I believe was $15, and again, it's all metal construction, very, very strong. And this, I believe, was like $10 or just under $10 for the rearview mirror phone holder. Now they have a ton of cell phone accessories and things like that at Princess Auto, which I didn't realize before. I've gone in there for many, many different reasons. Part of the reason that I originally started going in there was for my chicken, because they have chicken keeping things, they have beekeeping things, they have everything you can possibly imagine in that store. So if you haven't checked out a Princess Auto, I really encourage you to go do that. Their customer service is really good. My son has had a few things where he had to return them. Their return policy is great. They're very, very nice. Yeah, and that's it. So that's Princess Auto. So if you guys haven't checked it out, go check out Princess Auto. I hope you enjoyed this video and have a wonderful day. Bye.